Improve the visual inspection experience with AI and streamline the overall quality control process. Let's see how SAP Business AI helps people to get their job done faster and more efficiently in digital manufacturing. Here is an example of how visual inspection is used to be carried out without AI. In case of a defected item, workers need to manually identify and capture non-conformance codes, which takes them lots of time, requires proper training, and it is prone to human error. Now, SAP Business AI enables people to go through the visual inspection process in assisted mode. If an item is conformant, it is automatically recognized, and workers just need to confirm. In case something is missing or defected, the system automatically detects the issue and provides all the details that workers need to confirm the choice, send the data, and log the item as non-conformant. Overall, workers can save their time to focus on more valuable tasks. Visual inspection quality is significantly more accurate, and costs related to rework and waste are reduced. So, turn on assisted mode and start leveraging the power of SAP Business AI.